Now, printing is a wonderful invention, isn't it? It allows us to turn those concepts in our thoughts into tangible reality. But here is the catch. Printing is not DIY. Sure, we try to take matters into our own hand, but our DIY efforts end in disappointment. Printing is a complex process involving precision engineering. It's a delicate dance of CMYK precision, where the dance partners work together to create a masterpiece. When we load paper, it gets to the delivery after considering the resolution, the paper size, its weight, the grip margin, the registered plates fed from the rib queue. That only processes bitmap passes through from the final result of that intrinsic graphic design. So, as we watch the printed dart forth and back depositing tiny droplets of ink, are we witnessing mere mechanics or the intricate ballet of technology? Isn't the finished product a testament to the craftsmanship of half-tone and resolution? Printing, my friend, is not just a process. It is a symphony of terminology, a mastery of techniques, and a gallery of possibilities. So embrace the fact that printing is not DIY. Get a professional for that your next job. I am Aki Oduwole, and this is the Printed Gag Extra Knowledge Edition. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.